What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today, I'm going to be giving you a very quick video. We're going to be reviewing and demoing the Black Opal Brightening Concealer. I have two shades here, and I use them on my face today. This has set the internet ablaze, and so I wanted to try them out for you and let you guys know what I think about them so that if you guys wanted to, you could go out to your local drugstore and purchase them. You know we love a good drugstore buy, so if you guys want to see what I think about this concealer, stay tuned. But before we go, be sure to click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you could become part of the most fabulous, the most glamorous community here on YouTube, the Glam Fam. We have a lot of great content that is up already, and we have more great things to come, and you don't want to miss it, so make sure you click those two buttons. Without further ado, let's see how this brightening concealer works.
4 friends come in droves. Take flight. Was never on the same court. Them guys. Not I.
So today we're going to be testing out the Black Opal Brightening Concealer. I have them in two shades because I didn't know which one would work best. I have Bisque Please, and then I have Le Latte. So I've already done my base work. I, primed and put on foundation. I'm using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Foundation, which is my favorite this summer. And so now we're just gonna go in on each side with each of these because I want to see how this works. I'm gonna use them to see how they apply, how they conceal, how they wear. This has been talked about a lot on social media. So I went to Target on Friday to pick up some, I don't know, just like odds and ends. Like, what do you really go to Target for anyway, right? So while I was there, I just happened to walk through the makeup section and I saw that they had them out. So I just went and picked some up so that I could try them out for y'all today. So opening the package, I feel like they have a perfumey scent. It smells like perfume under here. Scented face things, they don't sit well with me because I'm like, what if somebody is allergic or it gives somebody a reaction or something like that. So let's open it up and actually see if there's, oh my gosh, why can't I open it? Let's open it up and actually see if there is a scent to it. Oh my goodness. I can't open them. Oh my gosh. Am I twisting it the wrong way? Are my hands that greasy? I don't think so. So here is the concealer. And it has just a regular doe foot applicator. It has a light scent, but it's not as strong as I thought it was, or I thought it would be from opening the package. Here is a swatch of Le Latte. This is a swatch of Bisque Please. So this one is definitely pinker than that one. For shade matches, or for shade comparisons, this is the NARS Radiant Creamy in Caramel. And then here is the LYS Beauty in TN3. And then finally, e.l.f. Hydrating Camo in Neutral Tan. I think any way I go with either of these concealers is going to be fine. So I'm just going to do one on one side and one on the other and see which one we like the best, okay? All right, so I've zoomed in so that you guys could see the application and the blending, etc., etc. On one side, I will do Le Latte, and the other side, I will do Bisque Please. And then on one side, I will blend out with a beauty sponge. This is the Drench Cosmetics Zero Gravity Beauty Sponge. And the other side, I will blend out with this foundation brush, which is, as y'all know, I blend out my concealer with my foundation brushes all the time. Le Latte on the right. And we'll do Bisque Please on the left. What I will say already is that the application is very creamy. It's just like gliding on my skin. I appreciate that. Feels really good. So what I usually do is I let my concealers dry down a little bit to get a little bit more coverage. I bought this little $5 fan from Five Below, and I've been using that lately. I feel fancy. All right, so we are going to go in and begin to blend. I usually start out down here somewhere. Blend it into my skin really nicely. So since I did the brush for the center of my face, I'm going to use the complexion sponge for my, like, under my eyes, okay? I think I like how the brush blends out better. So I'm just gonna go over everything with the brush. I feel like it melts into the skin a little bit better with the brush. All right, I look a little bit ghastly right now, but I'm going to do the rest of my face. I'm gonna come back and I'm going to put on powder on top of it. And then we'll see how it looks, okay? So I have the Laura Mercier Honey Translucent Setting Powder, and I will be using that today to set this concealer and just seeing how it works. So far so good. It looks really good with the setting powder. I will again finish the rest of my face and come back and give you my final thoughts on the Black Opal Brightening Concealer. Alright guys, here we are done. This is how the face turned out. I think it looks really, really good. I'm not mad at this concealer, honestly. I really am not. I don't think it's going to be my favorite. It has to like really, really, really beat the e.l.f. concealer to be my favorite drugstore concealer, but I definitely think this is a good one, and at $10 you really cannot beat that. If you are looking to pick up the Black Opal Brightening Concealers, I think they are a good buy. If you've used it and you didn't have a good experience, let me know in the comments. If you used it and you loved it, let me know in the comments. Just make sure to talk to me down there because I am always available, okay? Anyway, so that's all I got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Giving me a like is the easiest and least expensive way to support this channel. It also helps push my content to other people who would like content like this. So if you would be so kind and to press that like button, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you can be part of the Glam Fam, which is the most fabulous, the most glamorous community here on YouTube, and know exactly when I upload. Finally, do not forget to follow me at Glamazon1026 on all major platforms, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.